Students, look at the question. They are asking here, which one is Aralkyl halide? Let's take up option parachlorotoluene. I know toluene is methyl benzene. At para, let me show you chlorine. I know this is aryl halide. This is aryl halide, cannot be the answer. Chlorobenzene, let me show you chlorobenzene. Again it is aryl halide, cannot be the answer. Then allyl chloride, I know allyl chloride is a allylic halide, it cannot be aralkyl halide, so cannot be the answer. So we are left with option D, that is benzyl. I am showing like this, chloride, right? Now you see this is aryl, you see this is alkyl, then there is halide. So together aryl and alkyl, we can call it as aralkyl. This entire group called aralkyl group. So together it is called aralkyl halide. Yes, aralkyl halide is given at option D. So we are taking here option D as right answer.